This is a Thor News presentation. Thor News presents. Alright, this is a Thor News warning. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the sun has been freaking out again. So I thought I'd show you some of the footage over the last week that we have seen from the stereo, the Setchi, and the Soho cameras. I'm going to try an experiment. It's not going to work. I'm going to try one taker. No editing, nothing. I'm just going to watch it. I'm going to talk about it. And then I'm going to be done. No editing. Okay? It's probably not going to be my greatest video of all time. So bear with me. Turn the sound down. Or whatever the visuals are worth it. Okay? 1, 2, 3, action. Right, we're looking at the stereo behind Core 2 camera. That's a pretty big coronal mass ejection, I would say. And then there's more pretty big coronal mass ejection. Now I want to remind you that it's the little circle in the middle, not the big circle that is the actual sun. Wow, that is big. That's what she said. Whoa, that's a lot of light. What is that? It almost looks like solid. Why did it take up the occulting disc? Booyah! Pow, pow, pow. Man, how do they know that the sun is uniform in its use of hydrogen? Meaning that, like, the sun, like your car, even your car varies in the gasoline it uses. Ooh, that's bright. Unlike me, red sun, red giant. No, that's yellow star. They just got a red filter. Now this is distressing. For 2 days now they've had half of the sun covered up. Half of the sun is black. And then once again we have shot of stereo. See, half that has been cut out for 2 days, which is interesting, don't you think? We have had a few solar flares the last few days. Most of them have been M class. What is that weird little thing? I do not know. Man, I have a feeling this video is not going to be very good. It is a cross. Hello! Cross to the sun. And this is my artistic filter that I put on. One of my many special filters. And we got a lot of dots there. Everybody loves dots because this is more squares. Dots are round. Here we're looking at stereo behind quarter 2. And see how the sun has like a giant lighter. It's like the sun is a giant big lighter. And it's trying to light somebody's cigarette. And I guess it got frustrated. So it threw a giant pelican-shaped fireball at the cigarette. Or maybe it's like everybody else is like, I hate smoke, why do you smoke? And then I'm like, hey, 'cause I'm a dragon? Wow, look at that. See? Those meteors, charged protons, that was on the first. And I'm wondering what that was. It was probably just charged swamp gas. Boom. I mean, the sun has been releasing a lot of energy. And at this point, I'm totally convinced that the solar flare system, like C class, M class, X class, that is way oversimplification. Like, the other day, NASA put out a video saying that in, I think, 2012, they had a solar flare that was bigger than the Carrington event, which I think Carrington was like an X-Class 32 or something. And this was only like an X-Class 1. They said this had more power than the Carrington event that lit telephone poles on fire. And so, I mean, they're almost even admit, wow, did you see that bullet? And that's some crazy crap, man. And once again, you got that weird tail of the sun sticking out. But it's like they basically admitted that, yeah, it's oversimplification, because how could like an X1 flare be more powerful than an X-Class 32? I mean, science, we're not dumb. We got smartphones, man. You don't have to oversimplify everything for us. Okay, here what I've done is I've taken my color filter and then I inverted it. Because that was inverted. I'm going to do that because I like Top Gun. So that way I get to say inverted. And here we show the sun is Look at all those diamonds. When the sun goes supernova and turns into a diamond, that's what it'll look like. That one vampire kid from Twilight. And everybody loves Twilight. Said no one ever. Oh, man. Ooh, look at the bottom right one, man. That is a crazy looking, what the hell was that? Here we go. It looks like a minimal, maximal, totally snafu bar solar maximum. Double beat for sure. I like this shot right here. That's one of my favorite shots. Man, it's pretty. You can see a lot of action. You see everything going on in the solar system. Mercury's like, hey, woo, having fun. There we have our asteroids charged swamp gas photo again from the first. I wonder when Earth is coming around, like, you know, whoa. Man, Mercury's fast. This is what I think just for the next 5 minutes of this video, I'm just going to say Mercury's fast. Hey, look, Mercury's fast. No, I wouldn't do that to you. Ooh, man, the sun is active. Activo. Did you know that's the Spanish word for active? It's activo. I think activo is actually a verb saying I'm active. Look at that thing. The thing's like going nutty. The sun is about to give birth to a baby. I think Jason Major from the university today said the sun was about to give birth to a dragon. This is a cool shot. Look at Mercury coming around the mountain when she comes. You know, it's a summer mountain. I know that it's made of plasma and stuff. Science stuff. And what is that? See that right there? It's like that BP planet flew by the sun or whatever. You know, if we find out that that planet thing is real, I definitely think we should name it BP. Okay. Yeah. I mean, you gotta wonder how on earth can the sun maintain putting out that much energy again and again and again. And I don't remember there being this many filaments. At all times. Do you? Have you been a filament watcher? I'm a filament watcher. I'm a filament watcher. Yeah, the sun is continuing to be very moody, shall we say. And, over the last year, it has shot out a ton of projectiles, it seems. And then if you imagine the sun in the middle, it's like, that's a lot. Like, if the sun is flying, are those its jets? Is it steering with its jets? Is another star stripping helium or hydrogen from it? Like they always talk about neutron stars or black widow stars do. I don't know. Do you know? I assume 90% of you turn the volume down. I can definitely feel it in my bones. It's my worst video ever. As far as narrative goes, the pictures are still pretty good. Definitely worth it. I mean, this is pretty mind blowing. I mean, it's a tiny little sun. Okay, I guess we've made it past all the good footage. Now we're going to the galaxy. Will our sun explode? I don't know, man. Maybe. Eventually. Sure, yeah. I think we're good for a little while. I think most of the fear mongering and the actual real fear and doom exists in human beings. They're way more liable to kill you than anything in the universe, I think. The universe loves you. The universe loves you more than you know. Man, it's cool that when a star blows all of its crap off, it's still glowing and going. You know what I'm saying? Wonder what it'd be like. I wonder if we could live through a supernova. I bet I could. So, you should date me, gorgeous. 'Cause together, if we combined our loves, we could live through a supernova. Be that much more awesome. Okay, that's the funny part. I don't always drink beer. Crap, that was fast. Failure. Do you hear a wonder? That's funny. Seriously, Nintendo, this never happens. Why are you pretending this happens? Epic block. Just you need to go back and stop on that. That is hilarious. Stevie Wonder, if I could play video games, you bet it would be Atari. No, seriously, it's for science. Please believe us. But Jon Snow actually said, if the wildlings breach the wall, they'll rule over everything and everyone. A cougar on the prowl. Life is too important to be taken seriously. Okay, guys, please forgive me for this video. Reading Rambo, but the whole video is worth it because of that. This is slow down off. We got a tornado on here. You're gonna be mad, like, oh my god, that was a horrible, horrible video. I'm gonna be in the middle of a tornado, having lettuce chunks flying through my brain at like 700 miles per hour, dying lettuce injection to the brain. There you go, it was a .3 lunar distance asteroid that missed us yesterday. And once again, 1940s footage rows get from the stereo behind H1. Alright, that wraps up this 10-minute super horrible lousy video. But the images are great, so hopefully you'll give me a tie. Thanks a lot. God bless everyone. And keep your eyes to the skies. And remember what science says. Sun has no effect on the climate. Only human beings and dogs do. Okay, great. Peace out.